Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have a quick video for today. Today we're going to follow up on the American Express Gold Card. If you recall from my prior video, we were approved for the Gold Card and a 100,000 point welcome bonus. I'm really excited because now I have the card in my hands. And we're going to go through what the new white Gold Card looks like. We'll discuss what comes in the package you receive with the card. I'm so happy to have you with me today. Let's get started. Okay, so I know I'm a little bit late with this since I've already opened it, but I thought it might be useful to share what the contents are of this package. If y'all recall an earlier video, I actually applied for the American Express Gold Card, and it's finally come in the mail. It's actually a little bit earlier than I anticipated, but I wanted to give you a sense of what's in this package, so if you decide to apply for yourself, you will know what to expect when you get this package in the mail. So let's see what we have. Now that's nice. Okay, so if you all recall from the application video, I did sign up for the white Gold Card, and so that's what this looks like. It's a little bit shiny here, but you get a general sense of what the card has to offer. And yeah, I think that's the main thing that we're looking for, right? Want to make sure that we actually got the card that we signed up for, and a little bit of information about what the Gold Card has to offer here, both on the front and on the back. So that's one bit of information that comes in the package. And then you have your general card member agreement, terms and conditions, things of that nature. You see the APR there that's associated with this account. Definitely want to note the annual membership fee there of $325. Again, that is higher than what it was just a number of months ago, at least at the time of the recording of this video, and some additional information here on the back of this. And let's see what else we have here. Yeah, additional benefits outlined in these documents. I won't bore you with all of the information that's here, but certainly once you get your card, you can look through this at your leisure and look at all of the details. And some additional card member agreement information is in this document. And again, won't go through all of the nitty-gritty details on this, but for those of you that do elect to apply for the card, you will have a chance to look over all of that fun bit information when you get your card. So that's all I wanted to do. Wanted to share the information that comes when you get your Gold Card. All right, and that's going to do it for us. Just a quick update about the AMEX Gold Card. I really hope that you found this useful. I've actually had a little bit of time now with the card, and I'm making my way toward the minimum spend requirement for the welcome bonus. I'm sure I'll have more to share on that in a future video, but for now, if you haven't had a chance to watch the video of me applying for the Gold Card, why don't you take a moment to do that now? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.